a Mopar to take a look at. Unique, especially in classics. 1974 Dodge Dart. Nice looking coupe in sublime green. Underneath the hood, powered by a 360 Mopar engine that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Does have power steering, front disc brakes. Let you take a close look at this front end so you can see the chrome on the bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Chrome does show nicely on this car. Flat black hood scoop. And then of course the black accent stripes down each side. This car is kind of set up to have that drag car look with the slimmer, skinnier tires up front. Riding on American Racing polished aluminum 5-spoke wheels. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the car, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us at 507-386-1726. Let you take a look down the passenger side here. Interior of the car, white vinyl with black accents. Shifter is on the floor. B&M shifter. Does have a line lock. Technician said the line lock is working on this one. Vinyl on the seats appears to be nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Flat black accented wing on the back also. Looks good on that Sublime. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear of the car as far as the bumper. Again, you can see the chrome's nice in the bumper, taillight surrounds. Something the technician noted on this car also when he looked at it, it does have a nice audio box, I guess if you will, with the speakers. It's got a bass in there, and it does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo that was added to it, although we could not get the Pioneer stereo to power up, FYI. So just wanted to make that announcement. Something that may need a little attention, and get into a few other things when we open up the driver's door. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side.
Everybody out of here.
Again, Sublime with those flat black accents and the stripes up and down both sides. Now, I'm going to pop the hood here in a little bit. We'll start it up. I want to point out a few things we're going to see underneath there. It does have hooker headers. It does have a Mopar intake on it, Holly carb. Sounds like a little bit of a cam in there too. When we start it up, you'll be able to hear it. All right, as far as interior, a couple things to know about in here. Right down to your left, but where your left knee would be, there is a switch. You want to turn that on before starting the car. That will initiate the ignition. So it will start, just cranking the key will not start it. You want to turn that. It's kind of like a dead man switch, or not allowing the car to start without that switch on. A couple other things that were noted. There is aftermarket gauges underneath the dash, oil pressure. Been added. I do not believe all the gauges are working on the dash itself. Let's put it that way. That was also noted. You can sure consult with your sales associate. They will have access to the technician's report on this car. Let's take a look at the vinyl seats a little closer now that we got the door open. Again, you can see they're pretty much free of much for holes, rips, tears, anything like that. Same as in the rear, and you can see those all in the still pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car online. All right, so we're going to hit that switch down here. All right, as you can see, tack is working. Alternator gauge worked, but I believe that was it from what the technician had found out in the inspection. And then down here you can see fuel pressure. Fine there. There's that Pioneer stereo. Again, did not get it to power up. Take a look at the condition of the dash. Alright, slip around behind this so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. FYI, when we mentioned that aftermarket stereo, there is more of a stock stereo in the box. It'll be in the trunk with a couple floor mats and I believe a wiring diagram. Nice sound at 360. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Got the hood popped. Again, 360, Mopar powered, power steering, front disc brakes, there's those filter headers, and Mopar intake, poly carb. Sounds like we got a little cam to her. Sounds good. 1974 Dodge Dart. Sublime Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in the region.